Sun coming out for a brief minute.
You know what those are called?
No.
Those are pretty cool.
When this one.
They're straight out of like Africa or something. Oh snap! There's your pelican. My dad said they come in every once a year.
Yeah. Around
Christmas. How long do they stay?
I don't know. Not long, I don't think.
My mom always says that too. She's like,
no, it's totally true. Yeah. Look at him. Yeah, he's out there. Look at how he can hold his things up. One of them yawned earlier.
Oh, yeah?
And so he opened his mouth, and it is so big. I didn't get it on the film. But this one might. I said I didn't get it on the film, but...
Oh, so he just bit his neck.
They're so big. Did you just hear him clicking his teeth?
Was that them?
I think so.
Oh, it's the little one.
That's cool how he can... Look at the way he's swimming. Like with his... It's like he's got a barge, but that's his belly.
Yeah.
You know? That's so trippy.
His little back fins,
yeah. He's like drying off, maybe.
Look at this one. He's about ready to pounce.
They're way noisier because those are going to be the swans one day. The ones with the black and red. Uh-oh, this is so funny when they land. Wipe out. So funny.
Look.
Oh, wow, she's brave. She is brave, because that dog's like, let me get some. Got some more. She's like, I knew you did. Sun came out for like a wee little bit.
I thought it just drove us in the car.
Is it?
No.
Oh. Sorry, I had the dog, so I didn't know.
I was like, no, I just thought it was
oh, my phone died.